Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to use low data mode in iOS 13. With expensive data rates comes great responsibility. If you're trying to be frugal with your mobile data while browsing the web on the go, here's a simple trick to make your life easier. Low data mode is a new feature in iOS 13 that restricts the data your apps use in the background. This can reduce your data usage and make your network connection feel faster. You can enable low data mode for cellular data or for specific Wi-Fi networks in the Settings application. This mode will halt certain background tasks that include backing up your photos to iCloud, automatic updates and downloads, and other small changes that shouldn't affect your day-to-day life. Your iPhone also lowers the quality of music and video playback by optimizing it for low bandwidth. To enable low data mode for cellular, go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, and enable low data mode. To enable it on any particular Wi-Fi, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap on the eye icon next to your preferred Wi-Fi name, and enable low data mode. That's it. It's simple yet very effective in cutting internet usage from apps in the background. What type of internet connection do you usually use? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.